Is that big chat? Big chat. Welcome to the stream. I welcome you to a quick segment. Big chat. This is something that I'm not going to tell you the name of the website just yet. Just a little something I wanted to show you yesterday during Sunday stream, but we ran out of time. So I'll show you something interesting now. And I have no idea how this works, but basically you upload an image and then it gives you like a soundscape. So after this, we're going to do a big Trials of Mana stream, and I'm going to show you my Pog collection as well. Oh lord. So here's an example. There's a picture of Jermaine. I uploaded it, and this is the noise I got. Now, it's supposed to be like you upload, like scenery. But you can upload anything, and it's, like, really fucking weird. So, that's one example. So I have some that I did, and plenty that my vetting team did, that I definitely have not heard yet, on purpose, just to see how good they are. So, let's get started. Let's take a look at some of these weird things, and I will tell you the website afterwards, but I'd like to do the segment and have it work. So, let's try this one.
De verdwaalde prinses ging in het bos verdwalen, maar bij de put kon ze weer vinden. Toen was het veel te veel. De verdwaalde
Just baby noises.
ging in het
I don't get it either, chat. I don't really understand it, but it's baby noises. So yeah, I have no idea what parameters it's taking or what it's doing, but
Pulse. Pulse. Check your pulse. Drop it. Pulse. Pulse. Check your pulse.
the fuck
Drop
is this
it.
one?
Pulse. Pulse. Check your pulse. Drop it. Pulse. Check your pulse.
Drop it.
Check your pulse.
Check your pulse.
Pulse. Drop it.
Drop it.
Check your pulse. Pulse. Pulse.
Why? Why would it do that though, chat? It's like a fucking number station.
Check your pulse. Drop it. Pulse. Check your pulse.
So this one generates this, which normally, I mean, alright, now it's frightening if you look at it and hear it, but if this was like a field and it was a big beautiful landscape and you heard this, it wouldn't be so bad. But now it's fucking hell's bells.
I'm the self-consumer of my woes. They rise and vanish in oblivion's host, like shadows in love's frenzied stifled throes, and yet I am and live like vapors tossed into the nothingness of scorn and noise, into the living sea of waking dreams, where there is neither sense of life or joys.
Like,
I'm the self-consumer of my woes.
okay, so it just
They rise and vanish.
looped. But what, I don't understand what parameters it's taking. Like, is it randomized? Is it just taking from like a library? No, the AI isn't generating the audio. It's taking the image that you upload and pairing it with something from a library. Lando? This one might... I saw this one already. This one is highly cursed. Because it kind of paints the picture of Chuck E. Cheese watching TV. So, from Nari's understanding, it takes the image and attempts to figure out the contents of the image and then adds a matching sound. Okay. Don't know. I don't know.
Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut is America's favorite pan pizza. Order online at pizzahut.com. Pizza Hut, an official corporate sponsor of UT Athletics.
I mean, it kind of, it's like an advertisement in a wrestling ring. It's like a wrestling match. Pizza Hut, Pizza Hut. Oh my god. Oh, this is amazing. So again, I haven't seen most of these, so this is my first time. I like started off with a couple and then I just said, fuck it, I'll wait until I stream. But yeah. Alien bongos. So, it's got the baby one again. So I guess it somehow knew that there was... This one is very accurate. This thing has like a weird proclivity towards baby noises, I've noticed. I mean, point proven. This is such a fucking bizarre AI, I don't like it. I don't know why Link is a toilet paper holder. Like this, imagine to die immediately.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 465, effective until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. This watch includes the following counties in Michigan: Branch, Cass, and St. Joe.
That one's fucking weird. It's like almost Smile Ghost. It works when your eyes hurt. You get to listen to cool music that fits in your eyes. This one might be my favorite one yet. It's like a robot. But what the fuck context is this though? What is the sound on its own? Like I'm trying to figure out. It's ENIAC doing math. I just, again, if that got that from that image, then God bless. God bless. I was gonna say, it almost sounds like a modem, but it's not quite. Or maybe it is. I don't know what all modems sound like. I mean, it could be.
Headlights, 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 headlights.
Is this a Nirvana song demo?
Headlights, 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 headlights.
Hell yeah.
Headlights, 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 headlights. Headlights, 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 headlights,
Headlights! Headlights!
headlights, headlights, headlights.
What the fuck is this? Why does it keep going? Oh my god. This is almost the cult music from Secret of Mana. That is truly perfect and horribly disturbing. Does it think it's a frog because it's green? Just want to say, chat. Headlights, 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 headlights. There you go, you got it. It's a 90s song.
You can argue with me. There's no way you can debate with me. You need to be born again, made anew, so that you know the living God in your heart.
What?
So that you can worship Him, so that you can adore Him, so that you can give Him praise, so that you're not living for yourself, so that it's not about you, but about others. But it cannot happen until God comes into your heart. You can argue with me. There's no way. You need to be born again.
Thank you, Miyamoto. The cult of Nintendo continues, I guess. Okay, this one's shockingly accurate. Well, maybe it knew they were on stage somehow? Good job. Good play. I don't know. The bagpipe was a nice touch. The death of Twitch chat. Yo! How the fuck? Well, hang on a minute. Apparently it did another bowling alley. But a different sample. Okay, so it's definitely finding the things around it. Like it's not just random. It is not just random. There is actually some kind of logic to this, which I thought it was Japes. I thought it was Japes. It's not Japes. I'd like to blame John Fullsauce for the previous couple. Including this one. I think that's Jajo. I don't know what that is. It fits. Does it think Abbey Road's a parade? Or rather, marching band. Yeah, actually, yeah. A little bit. This is my favorite track on Abbey Road. Marching band outtake, followed by Polythene Pam. You know, we were just a marching band. Mickey Mouse. We were just a little marching band, you know what I mean? This kind of also works. Holy shit. How does it know? Got a couple more recent ones. Those are from yesterday. These are from today from Nary. Let's see. The official meat theme song. Why is a meat pasted over another meat in this image? Headlights, headlights, headlights.
Crush you up easier than a little bag of crisps. And just look at the size of the great pumpkin proud ass cheeks they both possess.
What?
Don't they bulge aggressively? Just made for squashing, don't you think?
What?
If one of them sits on you, your silly little face, she'll squash it flatter than a mouse mat. Wouldn't that be terrible? I would hate something like crush you up easier than a
Holy
little
shit.
bag of
I was about
crisps.
to...
And
Like,
just
Nary,
look
why
at
are
the
you...
size of the
Loss?
great
Really?
pumpkin proud ass
We're doing
cheeks.
Loss? But then the audio made it worth it. The jaw harp. This was the bonus track at the end of the CD. You had to put it on a record player to hear this bonus track. Amazing. So I'm gonna upload a couple, but first, I can't think of a better place. But here's my Pog collection. Here's some of the Pogs. For those that don't know what Pogs are, that's them. They're like little cardboard. I found 2 Pog tubes. I know I have like 5 more, like big ones, but I only found 2 small tubes. So you can see them. They have like epic designs. There's Punisher. There's like karate. There's eyeballs, football. Some of them are like, you know, spiked. And what you do is you throw a slammer on them. I almost never played Pogs because I wanted them to be in good shape. So, but yes, Zach is, you can see him. There he is. Power Rangers had a license with Pogs. It's literally just little cardboard circles with things on them. And we collected them in like 93, 94, 95. So that's some of my Pogs. That's like half of one tube. And then I had another tube that's all themed. Like you buy the tube and it comes with a slammer, which is in the middle, which is like a plastic one. And then all of those are from the same collection and they're numbered. I like the one that says VR, virtual reality. And then there's one that says E equals MC square. It's all relative. Peace, man. Peace, man. So that's, those are Pogs. Those are pogs. Fuck it, I'm gonna upload the pog to the server and see what sounds we get. Oh yeah, and Runts had their own pog. Was that? Vinny, I had that same saw blade pog. That's... You know what that is, dude? That's epic. Hang on a second. I'm having a little bit of trouble. I think this pog image... The images of the pogs are just too big for this website. So... Let me do a thing, and then we can check out a couple more, and then I'll move on to Trials of Mana. It won't take too much longer. But yeah, this ended up being more entertaining than I thought it would be. I just figured, considering yesterday was a pretty busy day with the stream, I didn't really have time to do anything like this. Hang on, I'm trying to like make these images a little bit more palatable. Let's see, do edit in Paint 3D. Ah, yes. Ah, yes, Paint 3D. Oh yeah, chat please now exists. Vinny, any slammers? So I had a tube full of slammers, and I can't find them. I know I still have them, and I have, like, another several hundred pogs. Somewhere. Okay, so I'm just gonna make this image size. We'll do percent. I'll do like 40%. And then we'll JPEG it. Sorry, hopefully this is entertaining, or it will be. I don't know if it is, but we'll find out. I want to see what sound my pogs make. Image size, 40%. JPEG. Save. Okay. It could be, you know, it could be amazing. I don't think chat broke the website. Chat broke the website. It seems like we can't get any new ones. Uh-oh. Well, I can't say I'm surprised. Hang on a minute. Let me just go and check out one more. I know there were a couple more that Mono did. And then we'll move on. And if anything, I'll do the pogs later and see what they sound like. But you know, it's just that's what it's gonna be. That's the pizza one. Chuck E. Cheese one.
José María Márquez Rodríguez, edad 77 años, casi 27 años, socio del coro El Gancho, un coro que estaba aquí en el Bar Paco. Nosotros...
Wait, is that someone laughing? It's like a streamer laughing at a streamer laughing at a rat. This is what... Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. People are saying this is how Germa laughs. This isn't him, though, right? It's not him, but it's kind of like a weird doppelganger of him for his own meme. That's fucking weird.
Passenger Marley, traveling to Belfast, you are delaying the flight. Immediate boarding, please, at gate H1. We will proceed.
Okay.
Passenger Marley.
Tommy Wiseau confirmed DB Cooper. Confirmed. Yo, okay, no thanks. It's just Pikachu. It was just Pikachu. Yeah. Yep, that's dog. All right, fair enough. It got the dog right. That's cool. I'll show you very, very quickly. Since my images are not uploading, I'll show you artwork. This is what this thing was intended for. So it's supposed to kind of build a little soundscape based around the image you upload. Someone's screaming. Okay. Water. Sounded kind of like poop. This is a surprisingly good AI. Like, it seems to, like, do what it is supposed to do really well. Until memes, you know, until you make... Vinny, do the screen painting. I can't upload any right now, so these are only example images. And there's a street view as well, apparently. So, like, if you click random, it'll just take you to a random place. And then play sound, even though it's not playing sound. Oh, let me check something out here. Hang on. Takes a moment to load the sound. Okay. Well. Yeah, it's loading. How is this place? I want a house here. Howdy, mister. Okay, while it attempts to load like a thing. Here's this one. Is this like a picture of Assassin's Creed or something? And Orlando from Dark Souls? Okay. I don't think there's any cars in Dark Souls, right? Vinny's real gamer status has been revoked as he does not know the location from Dark Souls. Well, there is Skeleton Wheel. Alright, well, this isn't working. The uploading isn't working for me, but we can upload the POG images later. And also, Street View doesn't seem to be working, so... So how about we just, we'll come back to this later, but thank you for watching this weird segment. I like all this strange AI stuff that keeps being created and developed, and... I don't know. I feel like one day we're all gonna be, replicated by an AI easily. Katto dancer!
Dance! It's a sensation.
One more?
Throwing this out as an idea, but it's something that is worth pursuing. Astrology was one mechanism by which royal power was controlled by religious orthodoxy. Old knowledge, therefore, continued unshaken in most places.
Alright, Trials of Mana.